Hello everyone, my name is Govind and currently I'm working as a data analyst at Ed Analytics. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how can you use apply all slicers button in your Power BI report. So here I'm having three slicers and product type, product category and year ID. So let's suppose I choose some product category and now my data has been filtered, and also I want to filter according to the drip coffee and barista espresso. So I want to filter according to this, and also I want to filter for 2019. So now like you can see, each time I am using a slicer, each single slicer is filtering my data. But what if like I have to apply first some selection and then I have to filter the data? So in this case you can use apply all slicers button. So what it does is that until and unless you apply that you click that button, any of the filters will not be applied to your data. After you make your final selection, and then you can hit the apply all slicers button, and then it will be filtered, like it will be applied to your data. So for now I am clearing the selections, and let's say apply all slicers button. So for that you have to go here at insert tab, and from the buttons you need to choose these apply all slicers. Once you do that, it will start appearing on your report page, so you can format it as well. I am placing it here. Okay, now let's make my selections, that like the set of selections that I want in my report. So I want product category to be coffee, then product type to be this, and then again the year 2019. So now like until till now, like whatever the slicer selections I have applied, my data is still the same because it has not filtered down the data. But I have like made the selection. Now I have to click this apply all slicers button, and you can see all my three filters have been applied to my data. So this is how you can use apply all slices button in your report page.